Okay. Okay. It's so heavy. You want to sing? Okay. Hello everyone. See you again. And today I have the midgets with a good idea that I create. And now I install or set up already. Just not use much money, a little money to buy some material to set up it. With I check with just empty bottle like this. They we call push pump, right? Push pump. It's different from the free energy water pump or siphon system. Push pump just use the take the water from the deep place to make pressure by this empty bottle to push the water to the up place from the low place or from the deep place or low place to the up place, right? Especially in the for the people live in the countryside or in the mountain range. Okay, and right now how does you can have it's so strong pressure and it can push the water as well, right? It's similar to the okay, it's so heavy, and now I start to show you. I open strong like this, right? Like this. And this step I will open it and I will see. Okay, how is water go out? Now you can see here, this water is go out. Right? It's put this on. Okay, and right now, close this. And this step I will push it water to close part, and then I will store water in here and continue to use with this part. Okay, close, and then I can start to push it again. Oh, the water is come out. But don't forget the end of the pipe. You have to use the water while check. Like this. Okay, okay. It's so heavy. And this step I will connecting with the circuit. It's like this. Okay, and then I start to open it. Okay, and can you see the water is come out by this pipe, through this pipe, right? You can see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I start to open it. Okay, and now the water is a drop down, right? Close. It's drop down. Stop, right? Okay, and then now I start to push it back again. For water is come out. Oh. This water is coming out the same, right? Here, you can see. It's so strong out. Okay. It's so heavy. And it's still okay. And right now, if you want to see, okay. Thank you so much that you pay attention. Spend the value time to see my review, my expression in this video. Hope see you in the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.